So based upon those short wall, long wall, you need to identify how many particular like long walls type 1 is length of 6.3 meter, maybe long wall type 2, maybe type 2 type will be 7.3 meter or such and such. So based upon those, we will be able to again calculate the earthwork in excavation if you have 3-4 rooms of different dimensions, and if you have the same dimension room for 3-4, so we can again directly we can multiply and this numbers we can let's see the another quantity what we want to calculate is PCC in foundation. So how to calculate PCC in foundation? So we want this quantity to be evaluated, how much quantity we need to execute for this plain cement concrete what we have. So again, you have two long walls. Then length of the long wall is again 6.3 meter as 5.3 meter plus center to center length is 5.3 meter plus 2 times of the half of the component, that is 1 meter was the component width, 1 divided by 2, again it is coming to 6.3 meter. Width of the component is 1 meter, we have seen it, and then height of the component is 0.1, that is thickness of the this PCC is 200 mm. So this is 100 mm and then multiplies by all four, it is coming to 1.26 cubic meter. Again, for the short walls, what we have, two short walls we have. Again, the in similar manner, center to center distance is 3.3 meter plus 2 sorry minus 2 times of width of the component, so it is coming to 2.3 meter, and then width of the component is 1, and then you have height is 0.1 meter, and then quantity is 0.46 meter, and then we have sum of the both the quantities. So PCC in foundation you need 1.72 cubic meter for this particular component. So again, the other quantity what we want to have is brickwork in foundation and plinth. So you have two brickwork. One is first brickwork is there, and then another is second brickwork. So for first brickwork, what you have is 600 mm is the width, and thickness of this brickwork is 200 mm, and the second level brickwork for the foundation or maybe for the up to plane, you can say it is for width is 400 meter 400 mm, and the height of the or maybe thickness of this brickwork is 1 meter. So let's calculate again, the number of short wall long wall will be the two only because we are considering only for two single wall. Let's start with the length of uh, uh, long wall for the first footing. So we have evaluated like center to center distance was 5.3 meter, plus we need to have the 2 times half of the width of the wall. So half of the width, 2 times of half of the width of the component. So this component width is 600 mm. So 2 into 600 divided by 2 and then 2, so 5.3 plus zero point 0.6, it is finally coming to 5.9 meter. So you have the length of the long wall is 5.9 meter, then width is already we have done 0.6 meter, and then height is 0.2 meter, and multiplied by all the thing, it is coming to 1.416 meter. Second footing is again, you have like for the second footing, what we have again, the long you have two long walls, and then again what we want to have this 5.3 meter and then plus half of the 2 times half of the width of your component, that is 0.4 meter is the component width, so it is coming to 5.7 meters. And then width of the your second footing is 0.4 meter, and then height is uh, this is, you can see, height is 1 meter, so you have 4.56 meter will be the quantity in the for this second footing long wall quantity. Then for the first footing short wall, again you can see that center to center distance is 3.3 meter, then minus half of the width or 2 times half of the width of the like component. So again 3.3 minus 0.6, it is coming to 2.7. Then width is 0.6, and then height thickness is 0.64 0.2, and then total quantity is coming to 0.648. And then second footing is again you have 2, and then width of the length of the short wall will be 3.3 meter is the center to center, minus the width, that is 0.4, it will come out to 2.9 meter. So again it is 2.9 meter, and then you have the total length is width is 0.4, and then you have height is 1 multiplied by all 2.32 meter is the your total quantity. So after sum up all the quantities, if you sum up all this let's say this 1.416, and then 4.56, and then 0.648, and then 2.382, then the total quantity. Now we can calculate the brickwork in superstructure. So again we have 2 long wall, 2 short wall, and then 5.6 meter will be the length we can 5.3 meter, and then 2 times of 0.3 is the thickness of the your brickwork in superstructure, divided by 2, so it is coming to 5.6 meter. And then you have width is 0.3 meter, and then height you have 2.5 meter, you have already defined height. So this all multiplied by the 8.4 meter, and then you have short wall again. For the short wall you have 3.3 meter minus 0.3, then you have 3 meters, and then 0.3 meter is the width, and height is 2.5, and total quantity is coming to 4.5. Both if you combine, you have the quantities to 12.9 meter. So thank you everyone. This was long wall short wall methods. Now we will be going through center line method, and then partial center line method. So both we will see that uh, this is we have just for demonstration I have taken a single a room thing, but in next video, maybe after dealing with the center line method, we will be having a full demonstration of a two-story building, a 2 or 1 story building. We will consider. We will again we can see in those time we will be able to see some of the quantity we need to calculate in cubic meter, some of the quantity we need to calculate in SQM, square meter, because if you want a painting to be done, it will be calculated in a square meter. If you want like plastering, you need to have in your like a square meter, and many things it is directly coming in the running meter also. We can see all those aspects of it in the next videos, so stay tuned with us. Thank you.